Hey everybody, so here we are on a bright Sunday morning, and we've had so much rain these last 2 days, flash flood type downpours, that it's time to come out here and pick the vegetables. In this case, blackberries that are ready to go. You can see here that they're very large, and after this rain probably have a lot of moisture and sweetness. So I'm just going to sit here and pick all these blackberries with one hand as we try to look at them all. Look at that. And they just, you don't have to pull them very hard either. That tells you that they're kind of ripe too when they just drop off, that easily. So yeah, look at that. And then the more I pick, when I pick this one, then the other ones are going to get ripened too. So with blackberries, you have to really kind of hunt all over, because they'll hide sometimes way down below like that, or they'll hide under some leaves. So I'm going to start picking these here, and there's quite a few, so it's going to take me a few minutes. But these are really massive size. These look at that. These blackberries are from Stark Brothers. I buy most of my fruit trees and other plants from Stark Brothers. They are an internet company, and they have really good products, and they kind of have a really good line of blackberries, all different sizes and shapes. So we'll just excuse me, we'll just be going around the corners here and grabbing them all before the birds, because you would know that the birds are going to find these faster than I can. So for the next couple days we'll be out here picking these. So okay, let me pause it right here and get the rest of these all picked out. Alright everybody, so here is my first large blackberry harvest from these blackberries. 2 big bowls. That's at least, well, I don't know, a pound or more, and they're big, as you can see. So pretty successful first harvest out of that row. I've got other blackberries that should be ready in the next couple days and weeks, so that's a good start. All right everybody, we will talk to you again. Bye.